Hello today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for, of course, you out there. Today let me introduce you the Diamond Pad Flat Rubber Jack by Planger. In this case, it is a set of a pack of 4 Planger diamond pads in flat. This is a special car brand from Germany, and it is for our Mercedes-Benz. These are a trolley jack, vehicle lift, and axle stand. It protects our car, and of course our SUV. Because we are going to lift up a car, for this we need, of course, a jack. And this jack we can go to 4 points underneath our car, and the most cars out there has an area which is stronger. Mercedes-Benz built their certain part where you have to insert your lifter, and to get a better lift experience you can use such a Planger devices here. The diamond pads. The diamond pads will get flat into this area where it has to be penetrated into. And after this, that means the pressure will be gained all over the body of that Planger diamond pad flat. And we can lift up our Mercedes-Benz easier and better. We have an easy to use device here. The diamond pad flat is perfectly suited for various car bodies and jacks, for example Unitec, Michelin, and so on. The application is quick and uncomplicated. The slip proof, and it fits perfect. We have real quality here. Due to the special rubber components, we will enjoy this product for years. We choose, of course, with that Planger Staff Premium Protection. It's very robust and R/SBR rubber 80 Shore A. Dimensions are diameter are 2.56 inches. Diameter bottom attachment for the jack is 1.5 inches. And super for cars up to 3.5 tons. That's cool. Because, for example, our Mercedes-Benz GLA here, with or RNA class, Mercedes-Benz comes with 1.5 ton, 1,500 kilo, 1,700 kilos roundabout. So it fits here perfect. You see, there are 4 points where you have to enter the jack into this area. And this Planger, it's protection and safety in once. No compromises in protection of our car. Our car is protected against slipping. The indentation on the underside of the rubber buffer ensures a stable hold on the jack plate. And this is really important to get a good stand our car there. It matches directly into the Mercedes-Benz part, as you can see. And Planger gives us 10 years of warranty. They are 100% convenient of that product. That is why they offer us a 10-year guarantee. That's a big thing. And you can see it matches really good underneath the car. And if we are gap this in position, we can come with our flat jack. We have a flat jack with a flat plate, and this Planger diamond pad matches to that flat area really good, as you can see. So get it there on your jack, and then go underneath your car, or you go underneath your car, place the diamond pad over there in position, and then get the jack underneath that area. And of course, in this case, we're going to pump up now our car. Before you pump up your car, of course, you have to enable the parking brake system, and then you can lift it up. Because I got 4 Planger diamond pads here, so we can use 4 stands or 4 of them jacks at the same time to lift up our car. Really cool, really easy, and it protects our car so much better. That's the Planger Diamond Pad Flat. These are the rubber for jack pads for Mercedes-Benz cars, special car brands from Germany. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun, sun. Lift it up, baby.